Good morning, student. Today is a new topic of algebra, exercise 10.2, class 12. Vector formula IJK. Vector is also in the 3D, three-dimensional geometry. On about x-axis I and y, y-axis j and z direction k. 3D. These are perpendicular to each other. This is a AB. A is the initial point, B is also terminal point. So A is the P position vector, P4 position, V4 vector is also given this right. Okay, so PV point of A equal to PV position vector. B is also position vector of a terminal point and initial point. And vector AB is equal to position of vector B minus position vector A. Then find also. And unit vector formula, unit vector A is equal to magnitude of vector A. This magnitude is in this direction. A, B, C are the direction ratios. Vector A, B, C are given. AI, Bj plus Ck. And direction ratios is denoted by D dot RS, A, B, C of vector A. And direction cosine LMNR DCs, LMNR DCs or LMNR value of vector means a direction ratio yani A upon magnitude of vector A, B upon magnitude of B or C upon magnitude of vector A. This is a DCs. You can already study in the physics vector. Okay, any doubt you can ask to next. Section formula. Have two vectors A and B. You in this diagram. Vector OB, vector A, OA, and this OA or B are changed to this A point and B point. Okay, OA in vector A, OB in this vector B, position vector OR. So are denoted by small vector R. So this formula, vector M plus M vector B plus N vector A upon M plus N internally. For internally, you are study on the 11th class, chapter 12, 3D. You can do 3D Cartesian form of this given to vector form. Same IJK are also given. Coordinate point are also changed in the vector form. So vector R equal to M this and external this new point external M vector B minus N vector A upon M minus N. Use minus for external or use plus internal. Okay. Now let question number 1 of exercise 10.2. Question number 1. Compute the magnitude of the following number. Vector A equal to given I plus J plus K. Other factor you can. Magnitude. This magnitude. Okay. This is denoted by coefficient of IJK. Square of coefficient of IJK. 1 plus 1 square plus 1 square. This must be equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. That your answer. Other question you solve. Question number 2. Write the different vector having same direction. Different vector of same direction. Same direction. Direction same. Have different vector. Let vector A equal to I plus 2j and k. You can other also, but vector B have same direction. Direction same means all plus, this is all plus. 2i plus 3j plus 5k. You can take plus plus plus, hence direction same, but coefficient are also changed, can change, but no same vector, only direction same. This is a positive direction, all are positive direction. Okay, that's. And question number 3. Find the direction, same direction, different vector of same direction. So let vector A, same direction. Okay, same direction. Having same magnitude, they are different. Okay, this. Okay, this is question number 3. Same direction. Same direction, question number 3. this question number 2. Now let question number 2 as it. Question number 3 same direction and question magnitude. Magnitude means this vector, let vector A equal to I plus J minus 4k. Direction, magnitude same, where vector B equal to minus 4i plus J plus k. Magnitude same. Vector have same magnitude. Here vector magnitude are same. Find magnitude this and this are different. Direction same, the coefficient change. The coefficient by magnitude are same. Vector A, one this same and this same. Now magnitude of vector A you can verify. Magnitude under root 1 plus 1 square plus 16. This must be equal to 16 and 18, and vector B magnitude under root 16 plus 1 this is also 18. Magnitude same but vector different. Okay, that's your answer. Now let question number 5. Find the scalar and vector components of the initial point and terminal point. 5. Initial point is given 2, 1. Terminal point minus 5, 7. So terminal minus initial, that is vector A, this vector position vector B. So find vector AB. Okay, firstly find vector B. Vector B minus a PB, this PB. Okay, position vector is given. So in bracket form, yeah, you can direction form. So minus 5i plus 7j, second term j, k is not available, minus 2i minus j. Coordinate this. So must be equal to 7 this, minus 5 minus 7 I, 7 minus j plus 6j. Find first cofactor, scalar and component of vector. Component of scalar. Scalar means coefficient of ijk, minus 7 and 6 scalar, or vector component minus 7i and comma, okay, 6j. Okay, that's your answer. Now question number 10, 7, 10 are same. So do the same. Question number 10. Find the vector in the direction of the vector. Find a vector in the direction of vector. Vector A is given 5i minus j plus 2k, which has 8 units, which has magnitude 8 unit. This is an important question. This type question is example also given. So example are mostly repeated in the board examination. Vector A is given which has magnitude this. So means find vector. A vector equal to 8 unit of unit vector A. Given vector, find unit vector of a given vector, multiply of unit vector is called a new vector. You can say new vector. Okay, new vector or a vector. So that 8 and A is given 5i minus j and plus 2k upon magnitude of 5i minus j plus 2k. Okay, 8 5i minus j plus 2k upon under root 525 plus 1 plus 4. This must be equal to 8 5i minus j plus 2k upon 25 5 30 under root 30. This is a new vector. Clear? That's your answer. And now next question number 11. So that the vector these are collinear. For collinear condition. ये वाली formula is left. Collinear. For collinear. Vector B equal to lambda vector A. This is a formula of collinear. Or vector B upon vector A equal to lambda. They are same ratio. Same ratio is called a collinear. Or B1 upon A1, B2 upon A2 equal to B3 upon A3 equal to lambda. The same ratio. This is the formula of collinear. Clear? Important formula. Collinear condition. So question number 11. So that is collinear. So vector A is given 2i minus 3j plus 4k, and vector B equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k, right, are collinear. So by formula, vector B upon vector A equal to lambda. So find B upon A minus 4 upon 2, coefficient of I to I, j to j, a to k, and this 6 upon minus 3 and minus 8 upon minus 3. Okay, we find equal to lambda. This upon minus 2, this is also minus 2 equal to lambda, then lambda equal to minus 2, this same. So that is vector A and vector B are collinear, proved. Next, now let question number 13. Find the DCs of the vector joining the point A. Coordinate point form given 1, 2, comma, minus 3. And vector B, we are position vector, okay? A and B are position vector, not a vector. Minus 1, minus 2 and 1. This is position vector given initial and terminal. So direct from A to B, A to B. So firstly find the vector B, position vector B minus position vector of A. So must be equal to, in coordinate form you can see minus 1 to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, comma, minus 2, minus 2. This minus 2 minus minus 2 according to formula. 1 minus minus plus 3. Vector equal to minus 2, comma, minus 4, comma 4. This is a vector B. Change in ijk form. Firstly solve in this simplify and time save. Okay. So this formula, this form is a simple form. And find DCs. The DCs you have find unit vector and find unit vector AB equal vector. This is changed to minus 2i minus 4j and plus 4k. So vector A, AB upon magnitude of vector AB, right? Minus 2i minus 4j plus 4k upon under root 4 plus 16 plus 16. Clear? Minus 2 common, only 2 common. Minus I minus 2j and plus 2k upon 16, 16, 32, 1, 4, 36, 36 that's a 6. So 2 upon 6 plus minus. Okay, minus I minus 2j and plus 2k. 2 to 1 by 3, that is equal to 1 upon 3 minus I minus 2j and plus 2k. That's your answer. Sorry, unit vector. And find DC's. DC's means direction cosine. L is formula A upon this coefficient of I minus 1 upon 3. Okay, and M minus 2 upon 3 and N equal to 2 upon 3. This is the direction cosine. Question number 15 and 17, important question. Position vector here, this type question. Vector A, vector B, and this vector position vector are or this point B and this point A. This origin, right? And ratio is given 2:1, and PQ, this is a P and this point Q. Position vector are given, then vector A equal to I plus 2j minus k, and vector B equal to minus I plus j plus k. Okay, this is given. What will be formula? Ratio internally. First point internally. Internally, position vector are equal to m vector b plus n vector a upon m plus n. Are putting this formula and value m ratio n, m equal to 2. So 2 multiply vector b minus I plus j plus k plus 1 into 1 a plus 2j minus k upon 2 plus 1. Then vector r equal to multiply minus 2i plus I minus I plus 2j plus 2j plus 4j plus 2 1 is 2k minus k plus k upon 3. This is a position vector. That's your answer. Okay. Same internally use second point externally, and use vector r equal to m vector b minus n vector a upon a minus n. Putting this value 2 minus I plus j plus k minus 1 I plus 2j and minus k upon 2 minus 1. This value minus 2i minus I minus 2i minus I minus 3i plus 2j minus 2j 0 0j plus 2k plus k 3k upon 1. This must be equal to minus 3i plus 3k. Your answer. Okay. Next, now question number 17. This is important question for board examination. Okay. Question number 13 are position given. Position vector है A3 4 3i minus 4j minus 4k, and vector b equal to 2 minus j plus k plus k. This vector b minus j, I minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 minus 5k are given respective of the vertices of right triangle. So this vertex is that let this is a coordinate, this is a position vector or position vector, not a vector. This is position vector. The position vector, let A and B and C are position. This vector lie in this and vector C and vector C. This is a position vector. So find AB and BC and AC and use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem lies in magnitude form and then length, not a vector form. So use find AB vector. AB equal to PV of B minus PV of A. Find A. B minus A. 2 directly subtract. 2 minus I minus j और माइनस प्लस 4j तो प्लस 3j प्लस के और प्लस 5k, right? And find BC, same B and C. 1 minus 2 minus I and minus 3 plus j minus 2j minus 5k minus this तो minus 6k. And same CA, and find CA vector. C and A, 1 minus 3 minus 2y minus 3 plus 4 plus j plus minus plus 4 minus k. And find magnitude vector AB. Okay, AB under root 1 minus 1 plus 9 plus 25. This must be equal to 25 and 35. And magnitude of vector BC. BC 1 plus 4 plus 36. 4 and 5. 5 this under root 41. And CA 4 plus 1 plus 1. This must be equal to 6. By verify by Pythagoras theorem. Highest value square of highest equal to sum of the square of other two sides. Under root 41 square equal to under root 35 square plus under root 6 square. You verify then also Pythagoras. This 41, 35 plus 6. 41 equal to 41 are verified. Given vectors, therefore given vector A, vector B and vector C are position vector of a right triangle. Okay, complete your exercise. If any doubt you can ask to me. Okay, thank you.